So le nunuze kagogo le yasinikezwa amatomu ukuthi phathi yangangenginikwe mina wavele ngase ngihamba yezwakala ithi faka lento emgqomile application ngalwa kahambe understand kanti abanye abayithandi lento abayizwa bangithanda abantwana engibakhulisile bamuza ukuthi oh okay how listenership where is Themba basebebona ukuthi ke ababhale lento lo ukuthi bengafuni ukuhlukana nombhobho Themba Phumalo
ngoba ubuvalelisanga abalaleli bayakubuza.
I must express this. It pains me ukuthi I was deprived of an opportunity of saying goodbye to people that I stayed with them for 29 years. It pains me even this very moment. Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
Ukuthi I was deprived of that opportunity. I'm glad ngoba ngisekho SABC. I'm not going to be penalized for that. Ukuthi ngikhulume kabi. But it pains me this very moment. Ukuthi how could you just deprive me my lifetime? Kunengane lana ezithi ene mina ngakuzwa ngiseka grade 1 ngize ngaba no 29 ngikuzwa. How nice it would have been for me to say goodbye to that person.
I think socela uMasiphumele ngendlela ayiphuma ngayo emsakazweni asikazivalelisele nje ngendlela ayivalelisa ngayo emsakazweni for bonke abantu ababemlalela lapha ku Khosi FM.
Ake ngisho ukuthi sengiyayithatha ngiyayiguqisa lapha lezi ndaba wemlaleli othatha ungihlangabeze phela uMaligamanxa ngobe ngikuphathele ezinye indaba ngalenga lokho ke sengigiye ngaqephuza ngadela okwanamhlanje.
Wow. Thank you so much for coming through.